Stellantis, the company behind brands like Jeep, Dodge, and Ram, has declared bankruptcy, causing a stir in the automotive world. Facing serious financial issues and challenges in transitioning to electric vehicles, the company's future is uncertain. However, this situation has led to big discounts on their remaining cars. If you've been thinking about buying a vehicle from Stellantis, now could be a good time to grab a great deal. But with the brand's future up in the air, it's a decision that comes with some risk. Stay with us till the end to know the inside stories of what led to this situation and what lies ahead for Stellantis. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this developing story and other industry insights. Let's start. Stellantis, the company behind Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram, has faced a significant decline in sales over the past decade. Dodge, once a powerhouse in the muscle car market, has seen a 67% drop in sales since 2013. Jeep, known for its off-road vehicles, has also struggled, with a 44% decline since 2018. These numbers highlight the company's inability to adapt to evolving consumer preferences. While competitors like Ford and Toyota have focused on sustainable and affordable models, Stellantis has largely stuck to its aging, fuel-inefficient lineup. Chrysler, once a leader in the minivan segment, has almost vanished from that market, further weakening the company's position. These strategic missteps have led to falling sales and shrinking revenue, raising concerns about the company's financial stability. Without a shift toward innovation and consumer-focused offerings, Stellantis risks losing its place in an increasingly competitive automotive industry. Stellantis is facing a major unsold inventory crisis, with over 1.4 million vehicles lingering on dealership lots as of March 2024. The company ramped up production to recover from pandemic-related supply chain disruptions, anticipating strong demand. However, consumer preferences have shifted dramatically, favoring eco-friendly, tech-forward vehicles over Stellantis's outdated and often overpriced offerings. This surplus inventory ties up significant cash and generates ongoing costs for storage and maintenance. As time passes, these unsold vehicles lose value, further deepening the company's financial challenges. To address the issue, Stellantis has been forced to sell these vehicles at steep discounts, which could attract deal-hunting consumers, but risks eroding the brand's profitability. The crisis highlights Stellantis's struggle to align its product lineup with evolving market trends, raising concerns about its ability to compete in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. The situation underscores the need for innovation and strategic realignment. Carlos Tavares, CEO of Stellantis, is under growing scrutiny for his leadership amid the company's decline. His aggressive cost-cutting measures, including layoffs and plant closures, have prioritized short-term profits over long-term sustainability. This strategy has left Stellantis struggling to adapt to an evolving automotive market. One major issue is the drastic reduction in marketing budgets, which has left dealers with few resources to compete effectively. As a result, Stellantis dealerships are overwhelmed with unsold inventory, leading to shrinking profitability. The Stellantis National Dealer Council has openly criticized Tavares, accusing him of ignoring dealer needs and damaging their ability to sell vehicles. Tavares' focus on cost-cutting, perceived as a means to boost his compensation, has created a rift with both workers and dealers. This disconnect has weakened the company's market position, further compounding its struggles to remain competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Stellantis' strained relationship with its dealer network is a significant factor in its financial struggles. Dealers are frustrated by poor inventory management and a lack of support in moving unsold cars. Many dealerships are now overwhelmed with outdated models that no longer appeal to modern consumers, further exacerbating their challenges. Adding to the problem, Stellantis has slashed its marketing and advertising budgets, leaving dealers with limited resources to run promotions or attract buyers. Without adequate support, dealerships are finding it increasingly difficult to generate sales and stay profitable in a highly competitive market. As sales continue to decline, some dealerships are on the verge of shutting down entirely. This deteriorating relationship poses a serious risk to Stellantis' survival, as dealers play a crucial role in reaching customers and driving revenue. Unless the company addresses these issues, its ability to recover and compete in the automotive industry remains uncertain. Stellantis' recent price hikes across many of its models have alienated buyers and worsened its sales decline. New Jeep models now average over $55,000, with high-end Wranglers nearing $85,000. At a time of rising inflation and high interest rates, many consumers are already under financial strain. These steep prices have made Stellantis' vehicles less competitive compared to rivals offering more affordable options. Analysts argue that Stellantis has misread the market, pricing its vehicles as though economic conditions were stable. This miscalculation has led to slower sales and growing inventories, creating further financial challenges. As a result, the company has struggled to maintain its position in a highly competitive industry. The combination of poor pricing strategy, declining consumer interest, and financial pressures has culminated in a crisis for Stellantis, ultimately leading to its bankruptcy and raising questions about its future viability. Before we continue, we hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Stellantis, in a bid to stay afloat, has turned to aggressive cost-cutting measures, including widespread layoffs and the closure of production plants across North America. While these actions have helped reduce operating costs, they have come at a significant cost to the company's long-term viability. Workers and communities that rely on Stellantis for jobs and economic stability have been deeply affected, eroding trust in the automaker. These cuts have not been strategically focused, leaving Stellantis ill-prepared to innovate or compete in an automotive market, shifting towards sustainability and advanced technologies. Instead of investing in future-ready solutions, the company remained stuck with its aging lineup, failing to meet consumer expectations. Once a leader in the industry, the company's inability to evolve has underscored the consequences of neglecting market trends and innovation. Stellantis is struggling to keep up with the transition to electric vehicles, EVs, facing significant challenges in adapting to the rapidly growing EV market. Despite rising demand for cleaner transportation, the company has lagged behind rivals like Tesla and Ford in terms of innovation and speed. While Stellantis has introduced some EV models, it has not made the necessary investment or strategic shift to electrify its entire fleet. This slow transition has resulted in a lack of competitive EV options, putting Stellantis at a disadvantage in a fast-evolving industry. The high costs of developing EVs, alongside the need for expanded charging infrastructure and production facilities, have further delayed the company's efforts. As more consumers seek environmentally friendly alternatives, Stellantis risks falling behind unless it accelerates its focus on electric technologies and makes substantial investments to secure its place in the future of the automotive market. Stellantis has struggled to innovate in a rapidly evolving automotive market increasingly focused on technology and sustainability. While competitors like Ford and Toyota have embraced digital advancements such as autonomous driving and state-of-the-art infotainment systems, Stellantis has lagged in integrating these technologies. Its reliance on outdated designs and gas-powered engines has made it harder to appeal to younger, tech-savvy consumers who are more focused on eco-friendly and tech-forward vehicles. As consumer preferences shift towards sustainable, high-tech options, Stellantis has failed to fully adapt. The growing global trend toward electrification and smart features has further highlighted the company's lack of innovation. With consumer expectations evolving quickly, Stellantis' failure to keep pace with these trends puts its future at risk. The company must pivot toward a future-ready strategy that prioritizes sustainability, innovation, and technology integration to stay competitive in the industry. Stellantis now faces a looming bankruptcy and an uncertain future. The company is likely to undergo significant restructuring, which may include shedding unprofitable brands or placing a greater focus on electric vehicle development. While bankruptcy offers an opportunity to reorganize and reduce debt, it also puts Stellantis at risk of losing its position as one of the world's top automakers. The fate of its iconic brands like Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler is now in question. These brands, once synonymous with American automotive strength, may face major changes or even disappear entirely. The outcome of Stellantis' efforts to turn things around remains unclear. This bankruptcy is a pivotal moment in the company's history. It will either serve as a springboard for transformation or a cautionary tale for the entire automotive industry. Only time will reveal whether Stellantis can overcome its challenges or if it will become another casualty in the evolving market. If Stellantis faces bankruptcy, it could create a rare opportunity for consumers to buy vehicles at steep discounts. With over 1 million unsold cars in inventory, the company is under pressure to offload its stock quickly. This could lead to significant price reductions or other incentives for buyers, allowing them to purchase vehicles from well-known brands like Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler at a fraction of their original cost. For savvy shoppers, this could mean getting a high-quality car at an unbeatable price. However, consumers should be aware that bankruptcy proceedings could lead to limited availability or the discontinuation of certain models. As the company works to recover financially, certain vehicles may become harder to find. For those willing to take the risk, Stellantis' financial struggles could present an incredible deal on a new car, but timing will be key to securing the best offers. Hence, Stellantis' bankruptcy is a direct result of years of poor strategic decisions, including pricing missteps, ineffective leadership, and failure to adapt to changing consumer trends. As the company faces financial collapse, consumers may find themselves in a rare position to score a great deal on cars from some of the most iconic automotive brands in the world. Whether Stellantis can recover from this crisis remains to be seen, but for now, the bankruptcy provides an opportunity for savvy buyers to take advantage of the situation. If you've been eyeing a new vehicle, now could be the perfect time to get a hell of a deal. That's a wrap for today's video. We've talked about Stellantis declaring bankruptcy and the amazing deals available on their cars because of it. While the company has some tough times ahead, there's a real chance for smart buyers to grab a great deal. What happens next for Stellantis is still up in the air, but we'll have to wait and see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and stories from the world of cars. See you next time.